Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today on Lips by Jonalynn. I'm Jonalynn. Today I wanted to show you some exercises that you could do, maybe not right after hip replacement surgery, but maybe like a few weeks down the road when your hips have had just a little bit of time to heal, because some of these are maybe a little bit more advanced. So let's get started. For the first exercise, you're just going to rest your upper body, and I'll show you that in a second, otherwise you won't be able to hear me talk. And for your lower body, you're going to be picking up your leg out behind you, just straight up into the air, and you're just going to hold it for just a really short period of time, and then you're going to drop it down gently. So we're just going to do that on each side 10 times. So just going to pick it up. You should feel it in your glutes for sure. And then down. So that's one. Okay, other side. Okay. For the next exercise, we're going to take our legs up into this tabletop type shape, and we're going to pick up both of them if you can. And we're just going to do that for 10, because I think this is going to be kind of intense if you've had surgery recently. So 1. Okay, so I'm just going to come down. I know it wasn't a very big movement, but you really feel it even with just a really small movement. For the next exercise, we're just going to flip over on our back now. Okay, I know there's suddenly a pillow in front of me, and that is because I completely forgot to grab the pillow that I knew we were going to need for this next exercise, because it involves squeezing your inner thighs. So if you need a second, go ahead and grab your pillow, and we're just going to take it and put it between our knees here. So tighten your abdominal muscles, and then you're going to squeeze your inner thighs, and you're going to hold it, and then you can relax. So let's do 10 for this time around. So 1. Okay, so that was 10, at least for me. So I'm going to call it good for now. This next exercise is a little bit more advanced for sure. This one, going to do a bridge, and then you're going to take your knees out just a little bit, and then you're going to come back into the center. It's just a very small movement with the knees, because we don't want to do anything too extreme here. So I'm going to just go ahead and do 10, so if you want, follow along. That's 1. And 10. So this next exercise is just side leg lifts basically. And if you want, if your upper body is getting too fatigued, then you're welcome to go and lay down, but I'm gonna actually just stay up for this one. So, I'm going to do 10, and we don't need to do any crazy lifts here. No crazy height. So they're just like that, basically. Alright, so that's officially gonna be 1 for me. Okay, I think that was 10. And I'm just going to go on to the other side and repeat this on the other side. Move that pillow. Okay. Okay, that's 10. So we're just going to be laying on our side once again, and to begin with, lay on the side that's not had surgery on it. So we're going to take our top leg, and we're just going to try and pick it up like this, and then we're going to come back down. I'll tell you, this was not easy for me when I had to first start doing this. So I'm going to count this as 1. And once again, we're going to do 10. Okay, 10 on one side, and if you can, go ahead and do them on the other side. It means laying on the affected leg. And just going to do the exact same thing. So, 1. Okay. Hopefully that was 10 altogether. And I believe that was our last exercise. So to finish off, we're just going to do a quick stretch, just a full body stretch. So this should feel really good. Just point your toes and stretch your arms above your head. Alright. If you get through all those exercises, then great job, because I know some of those are not easy, especially the clamshells in my case were not that easy. I recommend going through this video and doing it 1 or 2 more times if your body will permit. So what you could do is do it once in the morning, and then maybe after you've had lunch, then go ahead and do it again. And then if your body will allow, then go ahead and do it in the evening as well. I hope that you will continue to do this video and that you will also join me in future videos as well. Bye!